Hi guys, welcome back to Close In. I'm Sway Sage and be quick because my phone will die. So, also yeah, Cold Feminine just started. All I'm saying is a lot. You got me, you got Zen, and we could be, you know what I'm saying? Ew. Hi guys, welcome back to Close In. I'm Sway Sage, and I have another message for you. Sponsored by the fairies. So let me give you the scoop. So I was in the shower the other day, and I was about to turn the water on. I look in the drain. And this charm, random SF, was just sitting on top of the drain. I was like, what the heck? So I asked around, like, who this is going to? And nobody's claiming it. They're like, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a random. So yeah, I was like, oh shoot, this has to be a message for the family at Club 10. So this is it's like a fairy charm. Could be like an angel too, but it's definitely giving fairy vibes. So, excuse me, confirmation off. So if you have any connection with fairies at all, if you've been seeing fairies, this is for you. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit, Virgo energy. Oops. And at the top is the Four Wands. Period. So let's see what the fairies have for you guys. I prayed and everything, so you're good in the hood. Ooh. 9 of Pentacles, Knight. The High Priestess, period. And you see the 10 of Pentacles peeking out, the Four of Wands peeking out, and this has the Page of Wands at the top. Yes. Either a fairy godmother. It could be a godmother energy. No, obviously this is the year of the Fire Horse, and the the Nine of Pentacles is the, you know what I'm saying, it's assured. Okay, it's assured. It's gonna be slow. It ain't gonna be quick. Okay, but it's for sure going to arrive. Kind of clarification on the Knight of Pentacles in regards to the fairy. Ooh, alright. Here we go. The Death energy, which is Scorpio energy. Clarifying the Knight of Pentacles. The Strength is Leo energy, and the 8 of Cups energy. Oh, sorry, oops. The 7 of Cups at the top. So the ending is here. That's what I heard. I'm gonna see, which is confirmation. And ending is here. The Death energy in regards to the message from the fairies. Ace of Cups, King of Pentacles, Earth, and Queen of Wands, Fire. You're moving on from something. Well, so underneath is the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Fool. Oh, you have the Fool, which is Aries, and 3 of Cups. Sorry, and the Tower with the 8 of Pentacles. Hard work pays off. At the top is Queen of Wands, 7 of Wands, the Hermit, which is Virgo energy, the 4 of Wands, the Moon, which today is January 4th, 2026. It's right after the super full moon in Cancer in Capricorn season. The Wheel of Fortune, period. Period. And the Queen of Cups. water. So either you're moving away from somebody or something, or towards somebody or something. Obviously, that can be, transformation to a long-awaited, a long-awaited one, whatever this move is. I would say mood. So the main thing I heard, in regards to the message, I heard like fascination. So wherever you're, I guess, fascinated by, wherever you're moving towards, when it comes to this fascination with the Queen of Wands and the King of Pentacles at the bottom, whatever it is, it's a good, it's realized. In Peter Pan, there's a quote he says where he says, "Faith, dust, and pixie dust." And in the scene, he's telling Wendy and her brothers that he can take them to Neverland with faith, dust, and pixie dust. And this is kind of the energy I'm seeing. There's a karmic. Could be a masculine. This is something you're moving away from. Okay. So the cards are King of Cups, Six of Cups, Nine of Swords. Somebody's worried. So somebody is worried about you moving on. Let's see. Ten of Wands. I feel like somebody is like worried that, something is falling back on them. Four of Pentacles. Yeah. I think somebody is giving codependent. Somebody was codependent on you to take a fall for something, or on something, and you're not with it. You're moving on. You're moving away from this conflict. King of Swords, air energy. Magician, that's Gemini energy. Five of Swords is ever giving emotional manipulation. Now I'm thinking about looking at this. This could be like a guilt trip somebody's trying to put on you with the Magician energy and the Five of Swords. Okay, so that's one thing you're moving away from. They said move on. They said move on. But yeah, anyways, long story short, yeah, you're moving on. You have been, what's the word? You're being, what's the word? I'm just giving you have no other options at this point. You're being guided, but yeah, whatever that was is definitely hamper. What? Definitely Aries energy, Taurus energy. This could be a friend, ex-friend. In Peter Pan, the parents didn't believe, which was they weren't privy of this presence. Somebody just wasn't aware of you, of your rank. Oh, baby. Two of Cups. Temperance, Sagittarius energy. Let me say something. But whoever was in that energy, or whoever is in that energy that was trying to, push off some shit on you, they regret it. They regret it because now, yeah, they lost out. They lost out on a I don't know if I heard that. It's a child screaming help somebody needs your help, or somebody is trying to like the urge to go over there to go see because of the hell. But literally, someone was screaming help. You're receiving help. No, I'm over there. You're receiving help. But the energy is definitely keeping like you know. Just wait for it. Niggas are fighting for real. So somebody's fighting off the fact that miss out. You know, from the Ten of Cups. I was about to say like a fairy tale. Is it? Faith, trust, and Pixie does. Yeah. Faith, trust, and Pixie does. Oh, they stop now. But yeah, they miss out. You've gotten everything out of this situation, wherever it is, and you're moving towards your rightful place. And you know I'm saying that the lesson that cycle, you know, was a precursor, you know, to prepare you from for this position. People know that and people see it and they feel the way. But ultimately it's giving the got in their own way. Chariot, which is Cancer energy. Okay. Let's see. So clarifying not clarifying, but first the Chariot. Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, which is the Three of Wands. Ten of Swords, everything is fine. Yeah. The Devil. And it's giving that they got in their own way. The Sun, that's Leo energy. Oh, the Devil is Capricorn. Page of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles. So that's the Wands and the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, so you have no choice. You have no choice. Whatever forces that are trying to, I guess, like bring you back in this Five of Pentacles energy. Let me see. Seven of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, which is air. Yeah, you're a kaleidoscope. Like, that's how you're viewing this. Like, I guess that's how you're viewing. Wasn't that so in Peter Pan, if I'm not mistaken? Oh, okay. So you're Peter Pan. You fucking with it don't matter what the energy is. You could be like either Peter Pan or a Tinkerbell. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter the gender, obviously. But you're squaring off. You're squaring off with a what's his name? Captain Hook. Because Captain Hook, he had the yeah, you're probably fascinated. You're probably fascinated by how things honestly turned out. Let me see. I'm gonna clarify with the Oracle clarification on the fairy message for the sweet peas at Coven. Oh shoot! All right. So at the bottom, ooh, come on out. The Bible stand the fuck up on. Ooh. Okay, excited. The Bible at the bottom. Okay. And the cards that came out were absolutely, dude. Yes. You could be either somebody was scrying on you or you are into scrying energy. River of Blessings. That is releasing constraints. Yeah. Like you're definitely moving on. And that's what I'm saying, like this is the that kaleidoscope with the spots of this leopard. Balance. Okay. That is stability, standing firm. Yeah, you're staying on business. If this is your energy, that's energy, yeah, you're not going back. No, for sure. Edict times. Ooh, let's see. The Garden Paradise. It's giving out like a pilgrimage. Obviously the comic didn't like register that this is what this was, but this is what this was for you. And like I said, like there's nothing that will ever deter you from this path. You saw the but Neverland is everything giving timeline giving you a new timeline because of the looking glass. So a fairy tale is meant to gear a story, a lesson, a journey. Like I said, a pilgrimage. So at the top is the first card. Support, fun, unity, and play. That's probably the fairies right there. The fairies are here to, bring this in for you. Essentially, my friend. Is there anything else? Fairies. But you have entered happiness. You're in Neverland. Michael Jackson is significant if you been like seeing or listening to Michael Jackson's view. We saw I hear it a lot. So definitely Virgo energy, Cancer energy, Leo energy, Taurus energy, Aries energy, the moon, that's Cancer energy, death, that's Scorpio energy, there's balance energy, definitely, oop, Libra energy, Pisces energy, I heard, that's the fire horse energy. That's that express shipping. As long as you are tenacious enough to follow your dreams, follow your path, then there's nothing that can stop you. Your experience has built a bridge. Your paradise, and you're on that path. If you're not already there. It looks like a bridge. It looks like a bridge with the hand, her hand. I don't think you can see, but it's a butterfly. And she, you know what I'm saying? She released the butterfly here. And well, the butterfly turned into, the leopard. I see leopard energy, owl energy, butterfly energy. Is there anything else? How a kaleidoscope works is, okay, so imagine let's just imagine your ops are Captain Hook, right? And your op is looking, into you, obviously. And they're definitely waiting. And they're planning. To ruin, this. This opportunity, the devil just jump out. The devil is, at this point, the devil is irrelevant. At this point. The devil can't hide no one. When it comes to, but I'm channeling a lot of things. But when it comes to a kaleidoscope, in that thing is shards of glass, or just like different experiences, different. Imagine your life is the kaleidoscope. You know what I'm saying? And you are seeing the different angles, the different perspectives, in your life. And the op, can look, they can look in it, you know what I'm saying? But, what do they really see? Either the times, ideal. What is their ideal? Yeah. So what does their paradise consist of, really? And they might, look through your life and they think, oh my gosh, this is way better than my life. Just, you know what I'm saying? Let me just jump. You know what I'm saying? Jump into shit. But your life, like this kaleidoscope, is not like a straight on picture. You know what I'm saying? Like if you just put a picture at the bottom of a kaleidoscope, it'd be, you know what I'm saying, it wouldn't be a kaleidoscope. You know what I'm saying? Like it's meant to it's meant to give you a different perspective, a different outlook. You see the beams. Oh, yeah, my phone did die. So I'm gonna stop it right. I'm stop right here. But basically, you know what I'm saying, you're preparing your Tinkerbell, and you are, you know what I'm saying, you're going you're going to Disneyland. You're going to Disneyland. Well, you're going to Neverland. And in Neverland, you know what I'm saying, I guess everything is possible. Literally anything is possible. Two of Pentacles. The Emperor. Fairy dust and pixie dust. You feel me? That's your destiny. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, like, people didn't earn. Yeah, people didn't earn. Yeah. And we saw that Seven of Cups and that illusion, obstacle illusion. You have a fire ass adventure ahead of you. And there's nothing that will, you know what I'm saying, stop you from achieving, exploring, or, you know what I'm saying, that fantasy, that fantasy, that satisfaction, that fascination, like, that is driving you. So yeah, my phone will die. Oh, my phone, my mic died. Okay, bye guys.